before we start this topic, I'd like to give a shout out to our new advertisement, Discord ads. That's the best I can do for an intro. Please help. Anyone? Please. Yeah, you tell him, Brian, you can look at adverts. You can look at adverts for games. And you can accidentally enlarge the advert so you can't join voice chats. You can turn them off. I'm not getting paid for this.
Yeah, you can just get rid of them. Don't promote them if we're not getting paid for it.
Okay. Yeah, someone help him run out of ideas quick.
We should have discussed this before starting the episode.
No, we know it's bad. I'm just... I thought one of you would have joined in the intro by now. I mean, thanks, Brian, for putting some legwork in.
I was thinking about it, but when you were begging me to join, I thought, nah, I'll just leave it. It'll be funny.
Anyway, Discord has added adverts. What almost was an April Fool's joke was like a day out, unfortunately.
Yep.
Which means it's real. And as far as I know, well, at least on my Discord, they have rolled out. I think there was an update yesterday, possibly, or
yeah,
I had to
update mine today because I didn't use PC Discord yesterday.
Yeah. So there are now advertisements on Discord.
Brilliant.
Yeah, it's quite a polarizing one. What are your opinions on them?
Just typical trying to force ads into everything. At least with Discord, you can actually disable them.
Okay. Here's my take of them. Now that I've seen them on Discord, I don't know if this is going to be sort of the minority opinion, probably. They're not that bad.
If you can disable them without having to pay real money, then they're not bad.
I've seen the advert. I had one for a
Viagra.
I think they're called quests for in-game challenges for the finals, that free-to-play team deathmatch game. I think is what it is. I played it twice. It's like a tiny little bar that just appears above where your name, whatever your chat is, the mute and deafen keybinds. If you hover over it, it expands and then it closes again as soon as your mouse is no longer over it. That's not really intrusive. It's there. If that's where it stays, that's fine. If they do make them a permanent thing you can't turn off, honestly, if it's just the one advert there, I'll live with it.
I won't. I think it's good that you can disable them, to be honest. If they do make it permanent, I'm going to be miffed. But
as I said, adverts in it.
As I said, though, if you can disable ads without having to pay real money, then that's great. you know, with a game I played, it was Soda Dungeon, which is a mobile game, and if you get 1 million gold in game, not premium currency or anything, just the gold that you get from killing regular enemies. Once you get 1 million of it, you can buy a in-game thing that disables ads. You don't have to spend any real money, you just have to grind for a bit. And, I really respect that. And then on PC, you don't even get ads at all. It's already pre-bought for you.
I just feel yeah, they're going to be disableable.
You can disable them.
Yeah. They'll have this disability. No, not that. Not disability.
Christ.
Yeah. The ability to disable. That's what I'm trying to say. That might be a for now thing, but I feel if they add in adverts, they're probably just going to make them a permanent thing.
Yeah, they're going to do a YouTube and make them more intrusive, aren't they?
I doubt they'd be more intrusive.
They're not going to be as intrusive as YouTube, but...
Like I said, if they stay how they are now...
Yeah, I think that's...
I'll live with
I think that's a bit of a trap, though, because they're going to see what people are reacting to now. and they're gonna hear people saying that they're not as bad as people were expecting, and then they're going to make them like non-optional. I think that's where the problem is going to be.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I mean,
If they make it
assuming
non-optional and then keep them there, to be honest, I'm not going to be
like
honest.
I say, I think that's the problem. Them misinterpreting feedback. I think that's the problem, unless they're just gonna like make it permanent anyway.
But for now, I don't know if there's different advertisements, but at the moment they are for. There's a nice segue here for Discord quests, which are I'm guessing what's the best word to describe them? Crossovers.
Glorified ads.
Yeah, it's like a sponsored crossover quest thing. So, like for the one I saw for the final, it is other class is a Discord quest, which is the ability to complete challenges that you're informed of in Discord, and then you receive in-game rewards. So I guess there's some incentive if you actually play that game.
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah, but to receive the rewards, you must stream you playing the game in a voice chat.
Just make a server and don't invite anyone.
That's it. They'll probably pull out one other person has to be watching.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
Just make an alt account.
So I'll just read the redemption instructions here, quoting: once you've completed the quest by streaming 15 minutes of, in this case, the finals, using the Go Live feature on Discord, you'll receive a gift code in your Discord gift inventory, which you can learn more about the Go Live and screen sharing ability thing. So it's not just a full-on screen share, it's, I guess, the streaming feature on Discord. Is
Yeah.
that a new thing? I feel like that's probably been around a while and I've just never really touched it.
No, screen sharing is like already a thing.
Yeah, I know what screen sharing is. I do that all the time. What is Go Live a new thing?
No, I think that's pretty much the same thing as screen sharing.
Right.
It's probably like specifically for the game you're playing though. Like, because you know, if you're on a Steam game, for example, it's got the button where you can have it like preset to, you know, it's already configured to stream that specific application rather than like, you know, your screen or something.
Yeah, I'll be honest. I've not messed around much with like streaming settings and whatever. You might be more on the know about this than me, considering you are a streamer.
Yeah, but I don't stream on Discord.
Well, maybe you should.
I mean, my server has like zero activity. Why would I stream there?
Maybe that'll get you more activity.
No, somehow I would get less views, which is not possible.
I will leave.
Yeah, as Brian's just confirmed, screen sharing and Go Live are the same thing, just with different names.
Yeah, maybe Go Live is like the official term for it.
Yeah, or they're renaming it. Either way, same thing.
Either way, same thing. So, the adverts seem to be at the moment for like quests to certain games. Now, you've obviously said you don't like the idea of adverts at all, basically. How would you feel if they were just advertising quests in games to do with Discord?
I mean, I would say at least you get a reward from it, but it's like, you know, the same thing with mobile games. You know, you get ads on them, and it's bloody like, you know, you get a small reward for it, but you have to sit through an ad, which I do not like, so I honestly don't know.
Hmm. Yeah, but your sort of example was sitting through an advert on mobile. That was a choice. Most mobile games just throw adverts up anyway, and you get nothing for it.
Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah, at
Like,
least for
I
this,
haven't actually seen any Discord ads yet, probably because I've only just updated it, like, literally 15 minutes ago or something.
Yeah, you'll probably look back later and be like, "Oh, what's this new thing here?"
I'll be like, what's this?
Yeah, I mean, if it was a game I played that got a Discord quest of it, maybe I'd consider actually clicking
Oh yeah,
on the adverts.
that's what I was going to say earlier, but I forgot. I'm hoping that they tailor it to, like, games that you actually have installed.
It does
Because
say
like,
the ads will be targeted to users based on their gameplay, age, geographic location, blah blah blah. So
how would geographic location determine what games you play? Well, actually, I guess if a game's only in a certain language, then fair enough.
well, you think they just rolled out the adverts to me? Is that what you're saying, Brian?
Well, I mean,
Or is it-
apparently YouTube did like early testing with, the thing where they say, please disable your ad blocker.
I feel like when they did that, I didn't have one. I feel like I got one after that.
I didn't have one either. I just had like, well, I had Opera, so I had the default one for there, but I didn't look into it.
Yeah,
And
yeah. Maybe I'm the chosen one. I get to see the finals adverts before anyone else.
but yeah,
I get to see these adverts for games that I don't play anymore because honestly, finals is it's probably fine if you like that sort of thing. I tried it, not for me.
yeah, like I said though, I do hope they tailor it towards games that you actually like have installed, because if you're gonna get ads for like, if I was gonna get ads for like Elder Scrolls Oblivion or something, I've literally never played it, never had it installed, so yeah. Well, actually, I think I did have it installed, but I never played it. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
they started appearing on the 30th of March apparently.
Mm. Yeah, well, I only saw them this morning, so maybe I've been lucky. Missed them for like how many days are in March? 31.
Yeah, 31.
Well, I missed them for like 3 days. Maybe I've got. Oh, maybe I got the advert for the final because I think I do have it in my Steam library,
Oh no,
which
not
I
if
think.
it's in your library. If you've got it installed, because like Sea of Thieves, for example, if you don't have any room to install that, it's like over 100 gigabytes. So you might not always be able to install it.
Hmm. Yeah, but finals is an extremely small game in comparison.
God, imagine if they did them for like Roblox and they just pick like a random game. Not
I
even
mean,
not even like any quality control, just any random game in Roblox.
yeah, but what if you got Robux for it? Yeah.
Yeah, rage quit hobby.
You say Rage Quit Hobby, but I'm ahead of all of you on that.
All right, big man, calm down.
My sort of flex.
Yeah, you've probably been playing it for longer than we have.
No, I started playing it after you.
Yeah, I know, but like I'm saying, you might have played it when we haven't been on it.
No, I can confirm I don't.
Oh, you haven't? Yeah, I haven't been on it in ages either. Last time I went on it was when I was like telling Ryan how to go through it. Anyway, back to Discord.
Hmm.
I've noticed I pronounce Discord a bit weird.
No, you just say Discord.
Yeah, sometimes I say Discord, sometimes I say Discord.
I mean, we know what you mean.
Yeah.
I've never heard you say it like, and I've thought, oh, that's weird. He's pronouncing it strangely. Damn, Brian, pop off. So,
It's a really.
actually, here's an idea. What is your opinion on these, Brian? I
Oh,
know
yeah.
you'll have to type it up, but what do you think about these?
Yeah, that's fair enough. Yeah, I don't think it will stay like as is. I think they are gonna try like pushing it a bit more. They're just gonna like keep pushing it further and further ever so slightly, and then just like when people are complaining, they're gonna say we've got too much infrastructure or something, so it's there to stay. Well, they might do that. I'm really hoping they don't, because then they'll be as bad as YouTube.
I mean, one thing I heard, I think it was on something you posted about it, Brian. Someone said, something like, "Oh, it's a shame because everyone jumped off Skype because of intrusive adverts." I never used Skype. Were they bad on Skype? Anyone know about
Only time I ever used. Well, technically it wasn't me using it, but did your primary school ever do like this thing where you'd like Skype a class in Spain?
that? No.
Oh, well, my school did that.
Are you spying on Spanish children?
No, like they what? It wasn't spying. It was a Skype call, as in both people need to respond. It was basically like a pen pal thing, but it was like when classes started to use things like Skype and that.
I've never heard of this.
Oh, maybe it was just like my school then.
That could be next week's topic.
What my experience with skyping a Spanish class.
Yeah.
All I can really tell you is that during the Skype call, because it was a bit laggy, I would like move my hands so like one was on top of the other and keep switching really quick, and then my hands made it look like a vortex on their end.
Yeah. Crisp Cordless's experience with Spanish children.
Hey yo, hang on a second.
That can be the title.
Rephrase that.
No.
Rephrase that.
No.
Yes.
You rephrase it. You're the one recording.
The accusations come out.
Yeah.
Jesus, lads.
When I was 6, I knew another child of the same age.
I was in year 6.
I can never remember how old people are in school years.
I just remember being 11 in like the last year of primary school, so that's how I remember.
Yeah, I don't remember anything. If it didn't happen like last year, I barely remember. And I feel like we sort of covered everything we know so far on these Discord adverts and quests. Can anyone else think of any other bits we might have missed?
I can't really think of anything else. I mean, I've pretty much said all I've got to say. I feel like they're going to like gradually make it worse, and then it'll be there to stay.
I mean, when you say make it worse, how would they make it worse?
Like if the ads were more intrusive, if you couldn't switch them off, if you couldn't use an ad blocker, basically what like YouTube's doing.
Yeah, because I'm thinking if they're staying in that particular area of the Discord platform, if they make them more intrusive, you're not going to be able to join voice chats. Yeah, we'll all move to Microsoft Teams. That could be the next one.
Yeah, I have actually seen streamers that use like TeamSpeak before. Zoom.
We'll all move to Steam voice chat.
Yeah. We won't have any servers though.
You can make like friend groups.
Oh, I was gonna say you're gonna have to like if Ryan sends a message to me, am I gonna have to like send it to everyone else that we want to be in our quote unquote group?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Xbox Live.
God, it's been like years since I've even thought about that channel.
Xbox Live. That is genius. Yeah, let's revert to Xbox Live. That's the answer to everything.
What, on 360?
Yeah, we all dig up our 360s from the grave. Mine's just upstairs, so I know where mine is. We dig up the 360s, jump back on Xbox Live.
Not even better, we all get like bloody Nintendo DS, like PictoChat. Do you not remember PictoChat?
I remember PictoChat.
Oh, I thought you would have some kind of comment about it.
No, I'm just trying to rattle my brain for what an RROD is. Oh!
Oh, Red Ring of Death.
Yeah.
That's what I call it when you have too much spicy food.
My Xbox never got the red ring of death. Mine just got the red dot of death.
Mine didn't have any of that. All that my Xbox ever had is like, not
We
not
managed to fix it like 3 times.
It wasn't Xbox 360. It was like the one before that, like regular Xbox. I ended up spilling like banana mousse on it or something. Yeah, I think it was banana. It was some kind of mousse. Like, thankfully it didn't get in the circuitry or anything, but it is mostly still there to this day because we couldn't clean it properly. It still functions just fine. I just never used it afterwards. No
Yeah,
more.
the
Yeah,
red
no,
dot
no more,
ring.
no more Sonic Heroes. No more Shrek 2.
Oh,
Sad times.
yeah, I feel like
Actually, I
the
could
red
find an
ring or
emulator,
dot
couldn't I?
depended on what version of Xbox you had. Because they had like the original Xbox, and then they had like the reshipped ones were, and then there was like a slim.
No, Sonic Heroes was on the one before it. Sonic Heroes came out in like um. Oh no, it wasn't on 360. That's what I was saying. It was the one before 360. I said. I can't remember if it was just called Xbox or if it was like Xbox something. But yeah, it was the one that came before the 360. Oh yeah, just Xbox then.
To be honest, I think we found the topics for next week's podcast. You Skype
Spilling
calling Spanish children and
when I was the same
Xbox.
age and spilling moose on an Xbox.
Yeah, yeah, and troubles with old Xbox consoles. There we go. We got it sorted.
We could just talk about like personal anecdotes
Yeah.
for when we've ruined like an old console.
We've ruined tech.
One day I had like a Curio tablet and that just like
No, no, save it for next week. Save it for next week. We don't want to run out of topics.
oh,
We can't let people know we come up with them like the day before as it is.
this isn't even interesting. It's just like my Curio tablet like stopped working one day. Charging it didn't work.
And on that depressing note for you,
Not really depressing. I got an iPad soon after, so I'm grand.
this Discord ads topic has officially derailed.
Yep.
On to Defo Battle!
Yeah, when does anything not derail around here?
On
Anyway.
to Defo Battle!
Yep, anyway.